be showing you how to install our Jeep JL and JT Dynamic ColorSHIFT LED dashboard kit. The first step for this install is to remove the control panel. Simply use the included tool to pry around the edges until you are able to pull the panel out. Next, we need to remove the screen trim. In order to do this, we need to remove these two screws holding it in. Then we can use our pry tool to help get the edges popped out enough for us to remove the panel. Now we can start applying the driver's side LED strip. For this install, our technicians found it best to not use any 3M tape, as the LED strip was able to fit snugly in the dash's seams. This may differ depending on your fitment. You will also want to lift up on the top panel to help that strip get into place. Once you have your LED strip secured in place, we can go ahead and move on to the next side. This process will be similar to the driver's side. Make sure to take your time pushing in the strip and to lift the top panel to secure a snug fitment. Once you get to this area here, you're going to want to pop this panel out with your pry tool in order to push the strip in. After you're happy with both LED strips fitment, go ahead and plug the kit into your USB port and make sure everything is working correctly. Then you will want to zip tie your cables and tuck them in the empty space behind the control panel. Now we can put our screen trim back on. Make sure you hear it click into place, then we can put back in the two screws. Now put your control panel back on to complete the installation. Take full control of your LED dash kit using the included remote or by connecting through the Bluetooth app. With the app, you can easily adjust colors, brightness, and explore a wide range of dynamic lighting patterns or even create your own custom designs. Ready to transform your Jeep's interior? Visit oraclelights.com today and upgrade your ride.